Hello children and welcome to today's online class. So children, I have already provided you the formula list of the chapter trigonometrical identities and tables. So you have to learn those formulas and you have to apply those formulas in the given question today. So let me discuss a question today. I have a question here children. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A is equal to tan A. So you have to prove. Prove means LHS is equal to RHS. That means LHS part and RHS part should be same. So you can see LHS is very lengthy, but RHS is just tan A. That means what you do, try to make this LHS as tan A, because tan A is in the RHS and LHS should be exactly equal to RHS. So let us try to make this LHS part, left hand side part, let us try to make it as tan A. So let me start my solution by writing LHS, and after writing LHS, let me write all the things given in the LHS, that is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A. Don't write equal to tan A. Equal to tan A is RHS. So I have written all the trigonometrical identities given in the left hand side. Okay. Now what you do, you just try to use those formula in which you can convert the identities either in sine or cos. Like sine and cos, you don't convert it, you keep it same. Sine and cos, you keep it same, but the other identities like cosec A, sec square A, these trigonometrical identities, you try to convert it either in sine or cos. So first of all, you should think, is there any formula of cosec A which can become sin A? Yes, I have told you a formula, that is sin A equal to 1 by cosec A and cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. So I will try to use that formula, reciprocal formula, cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. So I wrote cosec A as 1 by sin A, and I have told you keep sin A same, that is same. Okay, next bracket same. Sec A, is there any conversion of sec A either in sine or cos? Yes, you have a formula, cos A equal to 1 by sec A and sec A equal to 1 by cos A. Children, one more clarification. I wrote the formulas in theta, but today I am speaking the same formula in A, because A is acute angle, theta is acute angle, so acute angle can change. Sometimes it may be written as theta, sometimes it might be written as A. So today it is written in A, no issue, but formula is same. Okay, so sec A I will write as 1 by cos A, and cos A I will not convert, I will write it same. Same thing, sec square A, I will convert it as 1 by cos square A. Now sec A is 1 by cos A, but if there is square here, then you should use square here also. So sec square A is 1 by cos square A. So try to understand the meaning of this. No square here. There was a square, here also I have a square. Okay. Now do the LCM. Sin A and below this there is 1. 1 and sin A LCM is sin A. So my final result will be 1 minus sin square A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. Same thing, the LCM will be cos A, and on the top I will have 1 minus cos square A. Okay, into 1 by cos square A. Children, Now come to formula number 1 which I had written yesterday. Sine square theta, I will write in the rough. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This was the formula. Children, 1 minus sine square a. Now whose formula is this? Point to be noted. If I make cos square theta alone, this sine square theta will go that side. It will become 1 minus sine square theta. Now you tell me 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square a. Same thing. So this is formula of whose? Whose formula is this? It's a formula of cos square theta. So today same formula I will use here, and 1 minus sine square a will become cos square a, and below we have sine a. So this became formula as cos square a. Now same thing, 1 minus cos square a. Now from here only you try to make sine square theta alone. If you make sine square theta alone, cos square theta will go that side and it will become 1 minus cos square theta. So now you see children, same 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square theta. Whose formula is this? Sine square theta. Same thing I will write, 1 minus cos square a is sine square a by below is same cos a into 1 minus cos square a. Now children, they are in the multiplication form, so we can cancel them. Now very easy children, this is cos square a, this is also cos square a, we can cancel. Here sine a and this is sine square a, so square will remove, only sine a will remain. So what is our final answer children? Final answer is sine a by cos a. Children, look at yesterday's formula list, the second last formula, not second last formula, it is I think formula number 16 you see. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin a by cos a, sin theta by cos theta, sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. Now you see children, what do we have in the RHS? We have tan a. What do we have now in the LHS? LHS also has become tan a. Now it is proved. So we can say, therefore RHS equal to tan a. So LHS is also tan a, RHS also is tan a. Finally LHS is equal to RHS, proved. So children, answer is already given in the question itself. Your duty is to prove it, and to prove you cannot randomly just prove. You have to use logic, and there should be correct formula also. So children, knowledge of formula is very important. Children, I hope you understood.
Hello children, and welcome to today's online class. So we have been learning a new chapter. Chapter's name is Trigonometrical Identities and Tables. So in this chapter we need to prove left hand expression with right hand expression. That is, we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So I have a question here. So let us discuss this question children. So on my left hand side I have sin theta plus cos theta multiplying with tan theta plus cot theta, and is equal to, on the right hand side we have sec theta plus cosec theta. So let us try to prove LHS equal to RHS. So my solution begins. So I will write first left hand side LHS, and my LHS is sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. So this is up to here, it is my LHS. So now children, as I have told you in my previous class that in this chapter the technique will be like this. The technique is, if it is sin theta and cos theta in the question, nothing to change, nothing to do, but anything else that is like not sin theta and cos theta, but something else like tan theta and cot theta. So these trigonometrical identities will try to make it either sine or cos, and tan can become sine and cos, cot also can become sine and cos. So I am going to tell you the formula. So keep the first one same, sine theta plus cos theta, and here tan theta you write as sine theta by cos theta plus, and cot theta you write the formula as cos theta by sine theta. Okay, this is the formula. I have written this formula. You can check in the formula list number 16 and 17. This formula you will find, formula of tan and cot. Now write the first one same, sine theta plus cos theta, and here you do LCM to add it, because fractional number we can add by doing LCM. So my LCM will be both cos theta, sine theta, both of them will be my LCM. And here what will happen, when I cover cos theta, sine theta will remain and it will multiply with sine theta, and my result will be sine square theta plus, now next cover sine theta, then who will remain, cos theta will multiply with cos theta, and my result will be cos square theta. So children, very easy now, sine square theta plus cos square theta, formula number 1, this is equal to 1. You just check it, it is equal to 1. So that I will write. So same thing here, sine theta plus cos theta multiplying with 1 by cos theta sine theta. I can change and write also sine theta cos theta or cos theta sine theta, meaning is same. Now equal to, now you can multiply the upper part with upper number, the lower part with lower number, but here sine theta plus cos theta will multiply with 1 and it will be same, that is sine theta plus cos theta, and by lower part will multiply with lower part nothing is there, that means there is 1, so it will be also same, cos theta sine theta. Now children, now we have nothing to do here, but it should match with right hand side, but still it is not matching. So now you have to use some other ideas beyond your trigonometrical formula. Beginning we started with trigonometrical formula, but now you should have some creative knowledge here. You should use some algebraic formula here, and my algebraic formula here will be, the very creative formula will be, what you do, you separate this plus symbol in two parts, write this plus here and separate it into two parts. So plus will be in the middle and you separate it into two parts. So this, in first part you write only sine theta, and in the second part you write only cos theta, but the lower part will go in both the places because it is LCM, so it should go in both the places, sine theta cos theta or cos theta sine theta, here also cos theta sine theta, because if you do LCM same thing will come. That means what we have done, the result which we get after LCM, here what we did, we did not do LCM but we broke the part into two expressions. So now lower part will go in both the places but the upper part will go in two different places. Now by writing this, what happened now, sine theta got cancelled, and here cos theta got cancelled. Now upper part there will be 1, here also 1. So our answer will be now here 1 by, so what is remaining here, 1 by cos theta, here will be 1 by cos theta plus, and here my result will be 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine theta. So this is very technical part. We did not use trigonometrical formula, but we used algebraic formula, but in a very technical way. And the technique was the number which we had got after LCM, we broke that expression into two parts, where the lower number went in both the places, but the upper number got divided into two parts. So 1 by cos theta, reciprocal formula children, 1 by cos theta is actually sec theta. You can check this formula. And 1 by sine theta is actually cosec theta. Now you can check the answer which I got from the left hand expression is matching with right hand expression. Now I can say left hand side is proved is equal to right hand side, it is proved. But first of all, what you write? RHS is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. So it is matching with this, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it is proved. So children, very technical question. I hope you understood. Thank you children.